common issue with the V-style brakes is one of the pad sticks. Notice the pad on the left. To fix this, first use an Allen key to remove the brake pad. Make sure that you remember the order of the washer and the nuts. It will have to go back in the same order. Push both the brake arms towards each other and release the brake line from the jacket holder. Now use an Allen key to remove the Allen key bolt. Make sure to keep the washer along with the Allen key bolt. Now pull out the brake arm. Notice three settings. The top one offers the most tension, so I will go ahead and fix it on the topmost position. Now reinstall the Allen key bolt and tighten it. If you are having trouble with the other side, repeat the process. Reinstall the brake pad with the washers and the nuts in the right order, but do not fully tighten it yet. Now pull both the brake arms towards each other and reinstall the brake line. Now apply the brakes and adjust the height of the brake pad so that it only touches the braking surface. Hold the brake pad in position and tighten it. If the pad is still sticking, you can adjust the return spring adjustment screw. Tighten it to increase the tension on the spring. This will pull the brake pad away from the braking surface. Apply the brake multiple times and make sure that the brake pad is returning to the desired position. Apply the brakes and test the other side to make sure that the other pad doesn't stick.